So, this week has been a whirlwind for Pixel leaks, and there's no sign of them slowing down. Earlier today, promotional videos for the Pixel 9 family were leaked, alongside official cases for the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, the vanilla Pixel 9 has surfaced in all the color options it will be available in, following a similar leak of the Pixel 9 Pro's hues yesterday. The Pixel 9 will be offered in obsidian, porcelain, rose, and green. As evident from these leaks and others, Google is making notable design changes this year. The most significant change is the redesign of the camera island. Unlike previous models, this year's camera island will be oval-shaped and will not extend all the way to the frame. Despite this change, the Pixel 9 will continue to feature only 2 cameras on the back, just like its predecessor, the Pixel 8. The third telephoto lens will remain exclusive to the Pro series. The Pixel 9 is expected to have a matte frame paired with a glossy back, which is a slight departure from previous designs. Another anticipated upgrade is the increase in RAM. Rumors suggest that the Pixel 9 will jump to 12 GB of RAM, providing a significant boost in performance. This enhancement will be complemented by the new Google Tensor G4 SoC, which is set to power the device. The Tensor G4 is rumored to come with a much improved modem, promising better connectivity compared to previous Tensor generation. Regarding the display, the Pixel 9 is said to feature a 6.3 inches AMOLED touchscreen, which should offer vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The camera setup on the Pixel 9 includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.5-megapixel selfie camera. This combination aims to deliver versatile photography options, from wide-angle shots to detailed selfies. The anticipation for the Pixel 9 series is building, especially with the expected unveiling date of August 13th drawing near. On this date, Google is also expected to reveal the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Each of these devices will likely bring their unique features and improvements to the table, catering to different user preferences and needs. In summary, this week's leaks have provided a comprehensive look at what to expect from the upcoming Pixel 9 series. With design changes, enhanced specifications, and a variety of color options, Google appears to be gearing up for an exciting release. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.